In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Astro A50X to Xbox Series X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up your Astro A50X headset. You can still follow along if you have a different model like the standard A50, the instructions should be similar. So first, check the back of the base station of the A50X. You will have to plug it into power, so using this cable that has a red end, you plug it into the base of the A50X and then into any suitable power outlet. Once the base station is receiving power, you will be able to charge your headset and make sure that it is properly synced. Next, use an HDMI cable and plug it into the HDMI out port of the base and then into an HDMI in port on your TV monitor and so on. So once you have the base set up like this with the HDMI port and the USB plugged into a power source, next it is time to set up the actual Xbox connections. So on your Xbox Series X or any other console, plug an HDMI cable into the HDMI out port and a USB cable into the USB port here. Now you can do the exact same thing on the base station. So on the left here where it is labeled Xbox, plug the HDMI cable and the USB cable. So essentially you can connect them together like this. Once the console is plugged into the base station and the base station is receiving power through these red cables here, you are good to go. Now, make sure that it is set to Xbox. So if you put the A50X on the base station, you can press the switch button and this will switch it from PC or PlayStation to Xbox. So press that button until you see it swap over to Xbox. And with this done, not only will the headset begin charging, but it is now ready to be used with your Xbox console. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. So I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.